So, after using the iPhone 5S for the past week and a video is coming or has come out of that, I thought I'd upgrade, and today I'm going to be unboxing the LG G6. So, yeah, this is a bit of a different view. I've got a top-down rig now. It's very unsteady and weird, but we're going to get straight into the unboxing. This should be a black 32GB LG G6, which... So, what are we going to do next? Unbox it, of course. So, on top we are faced with the phone face up. Now, I've got to mention, this is used, but like new, almost like the guy had used it for a couple of days, or lady had used it for a couple of days, and then it just wasn't to their liking. So, on top we get the device, which I will have a closer look at in a little bit. We get a bit of a G6 edition cleaning cloth, which is quite nice. An upside down game collection thing, which I don't really know or care about that, to be honest with you. We got a little pull tab, which gives us a bit of cardboard. In here is a spot I can't get at. We've got what's probably going to be documentation and SIM ejector, and then we've got our charger, which is a standard charger really. Port on the side, comes out with a 3-prong UK plug. It's fast charge something certified. We get our USB-C to USB-A cable, which is annoying because I wish they included a C to C. And then in here probably is empty because it would have had earphones in it, which I doubt have been used just for the sake of hygiene, or you know, because of hygiene. And in here we get, oh, there you go, a little black LG headset thing, which I'll never use, but there you go. It's nice that they include it, and that will be going to the next buyer, right back in there. So as you can see, this thing is so new, it's actually got its sticker on there, which I'm just going to cover up because of important numbers and stuff. But as you can see, it is glossy black, which is, and it's already picking up my fingerprints, look at that. And that is a very thin, like, lengthways phone, or for you guys it would be this way. And it's I don't know, it's thin this way, like width-wise, I don't know. And it should be loading up with the LG. Got to get focused on this. LG Android. I'll be logging into this. I won't be doing it in this video, of course, but there will be reviews and comparisons to come of this versus OnePlus 5T. Morgan's actually bought himself a OnePlus 5T, as well as a bunch of other phones that we'll get later in this year. I'm going to try and get as much B-roll on this phone as humanly possible, and hopefully we get something good. So this is the phone as is. It's kind of black at the moment, and there we go, there's our start screen. So thank you all so much for watching this little video. I thought I'd do a bit of an unboxing. Sometimes I like to keep the unboxings to myself because they're not quite as well made, but I thought I'd make use of this top-down rig to kind of give you a bit more of a different look on things. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like if you like, dislike if you dislike. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below, and subscribe if you're new around here to never miss a video like this one. Mine's been Ryan Thomas from Tech. In a bit. Peace.